Massage therapy is one of the most rewarding careers imaginable. Over the next 3 years, you will combine the medical sciences with a rehabilitative approach in order to treat some of the most common conditions that our society faces today. Throughout the entire program, you will be exposed to many different populations in order to provide the most wide variety of treatment possible. Some of these populations include maternal and infant, varsity and athletic sports, palliative hospice care, and many more. There really is no limit to your potential here at Cambrian College. You will be learning in a state-of-the-art facility. Every massage room has hydraulic tables, hydrotherapy applications, complementary modalities, and many more tools to help you get the best learning experience available. Our goal is to give you real-world experience so that when you're practicing as a massage therapist, you're your absolute best that you can be. All of your instructors have many years of experience, and I can assure you that they teach with the same passion that they have for the profession of massage therapy. I cannot wait to see you in the classroom.